Now let's discuss the second application of potentiometer, which is to find internal resistance of a cell. To find internal resistance of cell using potentiometer. First of all, it is important to learn how to make the circuit, the arrangement. वो अरेंजमेंट याद करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, खासकर जेई एडवांस के क्वेश्चन के लिए। और डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला अगर हम याद कर लें तो नीट और जेई मेन में वो हेल्प करेगा। तो सबसे पहले तो देखो, ये ड्राइवर सेल हो गया, उसका सीरीज रेजिस्टेंस हो गया। इसके साथ हमने पोटेंशियोमीटर वायर लगा दिया जिसका लेंथ है L और रेजिस्टेंस है RP। सो जिस सेल का इंटर रेजिस्टेंस हमें फाइंड करना है, पहले हम वो सेल को गैल्वेनोमीटर से कनेक्ट करके बैलेंसिंग लेंथ निकाल लेंगे। कनेक्ट द सेल थ्रू गैल्वेनोमीटर and find balancing length. Suppose that length is x1. EMF of the unknown cell is E1. So we know the formula for E1 is eta times x1, where eta is potential gradient that we have already learned. Potential gradient. The second arrangement is to connect an external resistance across this unknown cell. This is the driver cell, series resistance, potentiometer wire, secondary cell whose internal resistance is to be found. Connect another resistance, you can call it shunt S, but remember this is not in parallel, this is in series with this cell. Why? Because still the balancing length is x2 and there is no current through galvanometer. The internal resistance is R, EMF is E1. So in this secondary circuit, I will name this circuit as PQRS. So in this circuit, let the current be I1 in anti-clockwise sense. So what is this I1? I1 will be EMF E1 by R plus S. So what is potential difference between P and S? Between these 2 points, what is the potential difference? VPS is equal to E1 minus I1R. Now we will put value of E1 from here and value of current from here. So that will be E1 minus E1 by R plus S into R. So if you simplify this, you will get VPS is equal to E1 into 1 minus R upon R plus S. So that is E1 into S upon R plus S. Put E1 as eta times x1. Now this VPS can be written as new balancing length x1 times potential gradient. So VPS is equal to x2 times eta, which is equal to eta x1 S upon R plus S. So this eta cancel. So x2 is equal to x1 into S upon R plus S. We have to find R. R plus S upon S is x1 by x2. R by S is equal to x1 by x2 minus 1. So R is S times x1 by x2 minus 1. This is the internal resistance of a cell we have found using potentiometer.